How to stop the hiccups. Be David Blaine. Hold your breath. Can't hold your breath? Get help. Ask someone to strangle you, or suffocate you, or put duct tape over your mouth. Remove your lungs. Darling is better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Drinking water may help, but if it doesn't, don't you dare go to the bathroom. Peeing with the hiccups is a hazard. Get in an airplane. The pressure may help you to get rid of the hiccups. If it doesn't, jump out of the airplane. You ever see someone with hiccups fall to their death? I haven't. Drink liquids upside down. Hold your breath upside down. Eat peanut butter upside down. Make an upside down pineapple cake right side up. Go back to college. Get the student debt. You should see my grandson's student loan payment. It'll take your breath away.